Hello everybody, welcome to the video. So what we have here today is this Coca-Cola ceiling fan. I got the ceiling fan off of eBay for $85. And it doesn't have a canopy on because the canopy got damaged in shipping. The whole fan got damaged in shipping, but I was able to fix most of it. As you can realize, it has white blade brackets, so these were replacement blade brackets, probably because a few broke and they didn't want it to look weird with only having, like, I don't know, 3 red blade brackets on. So I got new ones coming, I'm gonna paint them, and I'm gonna order canopy. So this fan can be complete again. And it didn't have a screw, so I just put this one in right there, and then I'm gonna have to get a mounting bracket for it, because if I can find a canopy that's close to it, that'll be great, but if I can't, I'll have to get a different mounting bracket. And I think this fan's supposed to be 42 inches, but with these blade arms and how long they are, it's 44 inches. I measured it up, and the Coca-Cola decal is coming off on both sides, which is a little weird, never seen that before. Anyways, we will start with the light. Here's the light. And we'll go to low. There's many different variants of the Coke fans. Some were made by, I think the name is Life Supply or something like that. A few were made by Hazley. Some were made by Emerson, but those were 5-blade models. And they had like a low profile kind of light kit on it. I think this one was made by Hazley. But some of them had the bigger motor housings like this one has with the detachable light kit, which not a lot, well, some have, but this is the only variant that had that. And this one doesn't have concealed blade brackets because those are the correct blade brackets, but they hang down too low and they come out too far. So I'm gonna fix that to get the new blade brackets. I'll probably make a new video once it's all nice and fixed up. Anyways, we'll go to medium now. This was the only variant you could take the light kit off on because this is the only variant that came with a switch cap. And the other ones just had the light kits. And then I know some you were able to flush mount, which I think that was like the lifestyle version. And then there was the ones with the smaller motor housings that I actually have right here, and I'll pull it out right here. It's a bit different. As you can see, this variant, you can tell that it's different because there's the different blade brackets and pretty much a different everything. I don't know if you're able to see that, but I'll post a picture if you guys want. Anyways, we'll go to high. This one has wood pull chains, and it's weird how they're not red, because usually they have the red ones, so they might have been replaced, I'm not sure. This one's pretty wobbly. I want to say it's because of the blade brackets. Because they're a little out of whack. Spin down. anyways, thank you guys for watching. See you guys later, and goodbye.